Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix missing WhatsApp call notifications. To fix that, it's really simple. You have just first thing that you should do, and the basic thing is to just try to restart your phone, because sometimes restarting your phone will solve this problem for you. Secondly, you have to check the hardware part. So look if there is any Bluetooth devices like AirPods or Bluetooth speakers like connected to your phone, and you can check that by going to settings and Bluetooth. And for example, like for me, I have only now my Apple Watch connected, and the other like buds are not connected, because sometimes when you have an AirPods or also a speaker connected to your phone, it will transfer like the call directly to the AirPods or to the speaker. If not, you have to go to WhatsApp and go click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen, and after that go directly to notifications. And as you can see, for example, here the notifications are like all activated from my phone, but there is something that is not letting the calls or the notification calls arrive to my phone, is that the notifications are disabled on my phone. So you have to be sure that everything is activated here. Especially you have here the calls, like notifications, they should be activated. Everything is good here. After that, you have to go to settings and scroll down and go to apps, look for WhatsApp, and go to notifications, click on it, and click here on allow notifications. And when you click on that, you will receive notifications without any problems. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.